Alright everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the 24 Maverick XRS with Smart-Shox. There are a ton of accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about it. This is the accessory control module with the part number, smart control center. We'll go over these on the inside. The smart integrated roof light, the hood light, the side mirror kit, the jail audio roof, Lone Star fire extinguisher, electronic device holder, rear ACM harness, smart LED chase lights, air roof scoop, glass windshield wiper washer kit, rear polycarbonate window, the link side cargo boxes, overhead storage, lower door bags, upper door bags. You're gonna have to hit pause on these or else we'll list out the part numbers in the description. Link trunk box, the upper nets, mirrors, dune front bumper, and auxiliary battery installation kit. So let's check it out. Let's see what we can find out. Point out some things along the way. All right, so rear chase lights, you can see those installed right here. You've got the center storage box. You can prop it open. The side storage boxes. It's filling up that trunk space very nicely. Fire extinguisher kit right there. The hood scoop. There's the rear window. You can see it's got the cutouts like we're used to on the X3. Side lights, windshield washer fluid kit, the glass window, LED light bar, another look at the hood scoop. LED light bar there.
Preferences, find your ride settings. I don't want my volume button here anymore, which would be ridiculous, but say I don't want to use my my hood lights. I delete them. I keep just my volume button. Now next time when I press it, the first thing will be only my volume button. And my accessory controls are still found here very quickly. You always have your volume button, but when you drive you don't have as much access to this. So the advantage of having the smart control center is I want to put my lights on. Every time you see the ring turning, it's in smart mode. All of these accessories now are in smart mode. And if you're driving your lights and you were to come in a place where no lights allowed, all off, one shot, everything shuts down. You drive through the town or the car goes by you, and then you just hit it one more time, they all come back to their previous position.
Can you buy the touchscreen like accessory?
No,
for...
it's only on the everything but the base model is have it.
All right, we kind of caught some additional information on that one. Tons of cool accessories. We'll dive into the smart accessories a little more. There's that light bar illuminated. More info to come.